Then you take your corned beef and you'd put chunks of it inside.
And that's corned beef only right there, just now?
Yes, just corned beef. So you put chunks of it inside and it would look like that.
So do you add any additional seasonings to the corned beef, or you just use it as is?
You could, but you don't have to.
Okay.
Because the corned beef is salty and it's greasy.
Okay.
So because of the eggs, you don't want to be too greasy. You don't want to be too salty.
Right.
And we're putting cheese.
Yes.
So that's why you wouldn't put too much seasoning inside. So you come up with something like that. Then you take your eggs and you fill it half away.
Oh.
And the egg would form a custard.
Uh-huh.
So the eggs form a custard. And you would bake this in your oven. So you bake this in your oven for like 10 minutes. After you bake this in your oven for 10 minutes, it would come out looking something like that.
So that's the final product.
Yes.
So I want you to share with our viewers this morning, because we're virtual and I won't be able to do the taste test. So I want you to share with our viewers what kind of flavor can we expect from the final product.
So this is, the way I look at it with this is, if you think about as a kid, you add plantain, bread, and egg.
Oh, okay. So that's the kind of taste that I would get.
That's exactly what you get.
And this is a quick and easy. Roughly how much time did we take just now to do this dish?
This will take you 10-15 minutes after preparation.
After preparation.
So once you get your ingredients together and you are all set up, it will take you 10 minutes, 10 to 15, depending on your oven.
Very nice. And so if we want to experience more of your culinary delights, Chef Gray, can you tell us, share with our viewers, how can we find you?
YouTube, Crazy Creative Kitchen, or Facebook.
Or Facebook.
Yes.
Awesome. So I want you to tell me what is next for you. What's next for you on this journey?
Well, right now I'm setting up to open a new restaurant, so that's my next move.
That's your next move. So
yes.
All the very best with your next move. I'm sure you will do well, and thank you so much for joining us today and sharing this menu with us.
Thank you.
And now it's time to check in with Sunrise E for the latest in entertainment.